say what you say.
Brand new.
Bring it back, bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back.
Brand new.
Brand new. Bring it back.
See, cause I know this.
Bring it back.
Here. This is something brand spanking new right out the oven. Stick a fork in it, I'm done, I did it for nothing. All in vain, I wanted to get the fame, but I also wanted local cats respecting my name. Rolling solo, get mistaken for weakness. Do me a favor, please don't repeat this. I done seen the biggest goons get took down, embarrassed in front of all of their friends. Don't look now. See, I be speaking in a clear persona. Many nights I was spitting back, defending my honor. Intelligence and witty always win over thug cats. Y'all seen 8 Mile, just in case you forgot that. Well, I ain't tryna say that I'm white, and he ain't tryna say that he's black. It's all about this rap music. How you choose it is all up to you. This ain't old shit. This is something brand new.
Brand new, brand new, brand new, brand new, brand new, brand new.
This is something brand new.
Brand new, brand new, brand new, brand new, brand new.
Yeah. Okay, I'ma break it down, give you an inside look. What I'm about to tell you can't be found in a book. Everything really happened, but it sound like fiction. It's hard for me to believe, and I'm the author of the diction. The story takes place at a root show. I got a little footage if you need it for proof, though. On this specific night, I was the opening act, and back then, that was big for a local cat. I even had my name written on the poster. They sold it in the auction at the Halo for close to, shit, $1,200, $1,500, something like that. I couldn't afford it, but I really wished I bought it. So I'm backstage talking to Quest. Gave him a CD, took a deep breath. Said I'm the artist that's about to go on. It would mean a lot if you watch my first song. It's something brand new. So fresh, so clean. I told Rec Riddles, give me something hot and mean. He said, okay, big bro, just give me a couple weeks. I got a few shows coming up, I'll send you some beats. Out of curiosity, what kind of music you looking for? I said, you know I'm old school, something from 94. Okay. You know that Pete Rock shit that I could spit to. True. But for real though, dawg, just do what you do. Right. A couple weeks went by, so now I'm checking in. Instagram was the last place we was messaging. He hit me back, he said, I got them beats, what's your email? I get off at 3, okay? Now I'm on standby, thinking of what to write. If that shit bananas, it's getting recorded tonight. Ha! And sure enough, it was right up my alley. I told Ross, roll up that Cali. I wrote something brand new.